So a while ago I was driving and a client of mine called me. She said, Liz, what are you doing under a glass table in the middle of an earthquake? Listen, let me tell you something. You see, when you're caught off guard, you understand me, and the brain is not working, you find that you do some silly things that when you look back on it, you're like, oh my God, did I really do this? And yes, that is the truth. So when she said that to me, because we're supposed to go and do a viewing, I'm on my way right now to meet up with her to do a viewing. So she asking me, and then in addition to that, she's saying to me, she said, are we still on for the viewing this morning? So I'm like, yes, earthquake or no earthquake, you know, the work goes on, you know. You still need a house, and I still need to sell your house. So she laughed. She was like, listen, easy, you know. But anyways, I turned to her now and said to her, I said, what were you doing when the earthquake happened? You're Liz, to be honest. I was in the kitchen making breakfast for my daughter, and I dropped the pot and run. So I said to her, I said, you dropped the pot? She said, Liz, trust me, I was so frightened I dropped the pot. So I'm just saying, you know, what is happening? What is it like for you? What was your experience during this earthquake, you know? I realize that everybody react to things differently. Send us some tips in the comment section. Let us know what to do and what not to do when we're experiencing an earthquake. Like, do not go under a glass table. Liz, if things fall on the glass table, you can get hurt. So that's a not to do. So send us some of the things that we are supposed to do when we are experiencing an earthquake, guys. Let us educate each other out there. Because you see, I called a few more of my clients, and I was saying to them that, you know, I went under the glass table and they were laughing. A client of mine got, when I called, he said to me, he said, Liz, to be honest with you, you know, when the earthquake occurred, I was sleeping. And I just feel the bed started shaking. The man said, jump over his wife and run outside. Now, you tell me. So I'm just saying, these are just some of the silly things that we do when we are caught off guard. And I'm just saying, as a community, as a family, let us educate each other. Drop some tips in the comment section. Let us know what we're supposed to do when we experience an earthquake, because let me tell you something, not everybody know what to do, and sometimes you know what to do, you know, but guess what happened? You just find that you just caught you off guard, and you just do something like go under a glass table, you know, drop the pot and run. You know, it could be a pot of hot water, you know, and that would not have been nice. So I'm just saying, guys, leave some tips in the comment section. Let us know the things that we are supposed to do in an earthquake, things that we're not supposed to do in an earthquake. I know, right, Christian? My son is saying, yes, leave some comment in the comment section and let us know. Again, guys, I'm heading out now. I'm going to do a viewing right now with my clients. So again, it's always a pleasure catching up with you guys. I love you. Don't forget to leave the tips in the comment section. Like and share this video, and again, tune in to the rest of my videos. You know, real estate videos, they're very informative. And subscribe. You never know when you may need some of these advice in your corner, you know. So again, I love you guys. Stay safe, and don't forget to share some tips in the comment section. Bye, y'all.